Hello my friends and beautiful divine beings, how are you today? Love to love to you. So, yeah, happy celebrating new day to you. And today I want to share with you my morning routine in the beautiful forest. There's a river. This is where I go every morning at in around sunrise, shortly before or after. Today's a little bit after, just a tiny bit. It's still getting bright. And I'm on my bicycle, and it's the way I recommend starting the day. Get out early and get out in nature and see the sunrise if you can. I've just realised I have no brake with my left one and I'm holding the phone. Let's see if this will work. Now I can have a break, otherwise just go rolling down the hill. So this is slightly risky, to be honest, a little bit, but not too bad, less risky, for the sake of the video. Haha. No, for real though, I don't know if you can feel it, the healing powers of nature and the energy of nature. All the animals, the birds, the ecosystem, the microbes, it's very special. And I'm on my way to the beach, where there's a forest, and I'm going to cycle through the forest on the path, and then I'm going to sun gaze and catch sunrise. Well, I'm going to catch, sunrise, not the very, very first few seconds, but it's so beautiful, my friends. I just love being here. I highly recommend doing this. It's beautiful. Hi. Gorgeous, yeah. It's lovely, isn't it? Hi. Nice doggy. Nice yellow coat, my favourite colour. The colour of the sunshine, the sun. So yeah, what do you like to do as your morning routine? What works for you, what makes you happy? I also like to have a bath with some salts, with some essential oils during the day, or if I get a chance when I come home. I don't know, I just can't get enough of this, my friends. Wait till I show you the other place, it's just staggering. I just love it so much. I'll talk to you soon, okay? Love yous, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here, giving me your valuable, precious, good energy and time. Just love this place so much, it's just breathtaking. The energy.